Alright, AVP Wargamers. Today I'm going to unbox Artemis from Space Crusade, a model made by Prodos Games. This is for a game that's about to be released. Right now it's in pre-order, but the cool thing is they're already selling a lot of the expansion miniatures for the board game. I bought this specifically to use as a stand-in for one of the models for the Sisters of Battle by Warhammer 40K and Games Workshop, because I thought she was a really cool model. There's a model very similar to this in the Sisters of Battle army, and so that's what I got her for. I love how Prodos Games gives you these models in these little cardboard boxes that are really great for shipping. They're really good at padding all their models too. So Artemis, what does your model look like? Let's see. All right, so this is all resin. Oh wow, this is really good detail. I'm gonna get this close to the camera here. She's got some little fleur-de-lis on there, which is going to fit perfectly with a Sisters of Battle army. All right, let's get the lady herself. She looks amazing. Look at that. There's the spots that glue to the back. Now the thing about the Prodos Games version of Space Crusade is they're all female characters. They're all women. Even the bad guys, they're like Space Marine girls and Chaos Space Marine ladies. But look how that looks. That's really cool. But I really like this model because she reminds me of Kingdom Death a lot, actually. You know, she's a lot smaller. She's 32 millimeter. All right, so let's look at some of the other parts. So here's some of the shoulder pads. Very Sisters of Battle. Sneaky, sneaky. You silly Prodos Games, you. Being all sneaky. These are cool. I love these claws. Look at those. Okay, so it looks like you have your shoulder pads. You got your claws. You got your base. You got your feet. And it looks like you have different arms. And okay, so hold on, sorry. Getting ahead of myself. I'm excited. Here are the legs. I really like the design of those legs. So those are cool. Can't wait to glue her together. So that's about the size of a dreadnought. Yep. Okay, and what kind of weapons do we have? It looks like we have... Okay, so you got two different claws. You've got the flamer. Again, really good design. You got this. This kind of looks like a melt-a-gun. I'm sure it's called something else, though. And then you got this thing, which looks like the back piece with a little engine. There's the little belt for your engine. So it's definitely kind of steampunkish in its design. So that's the back of it. And let's see. I have with me a dreadnought. There we go. Let's get a Games Workshop dreadnought to kind of show you guys scale. Alright, so here's a dreadnought. And the base, a lot smaller. But is she taller than a dreadnought? Let's see, so attach that to that. is about the same height as a Dreadnought. She's just a lot thinner than a Dreadnought. In fact, this base seems kind of small. I might actually upgrade her base to Dreadnought size base. So there you go, Artemis unboxing. I really like this model. And when Space Crusade comes out, I'll give it a try. You know, it's nice seeing a war game that's all ladies, and yet you can also use this for Sisters of Battle too, and for 40k. So yeah, when I finish my Deathwatch force, I think I'll paint her up to match my Deathwatch Terminators, and she'll run in with the Sisters of Battle in my Deathwatch army. That'll be cool. All right, until next time, keep gaming.